Hello and welcome to the Evidence of Evolution revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. Evidence of evolution. The theory of evolution by natural selection is widely accepted. It explains how living organisms change over time and how new species develop. Today, there is strong evidence supporting this theory from fossils, antibiotic resistance in bacteria, genetics, which is DNA, and inheritance. Fossil evidence. Fossils show how organisms have changed over millions of years. Older fossils look different from modern species, showing gradual change over time. Fossils can show extinct species that no longer exist, and transitional forms. Transitional forms represent an in-between stage in evolution. This is where the organism has some old and new features at the same time, and this supports evolution because it shows organisms are not fixed and have changed over time. The horse is an organism which has a virtually complete fossil record. There are very few organisms like this. And if we look at how the horse has evolved over time, we can see it started with 4 toes, then down to 3 toes, 3 toes with 1 enlarged, then a single toe, and then a single toe which formed a hoof. And we can also see that the horse grew over time from 0.4 meters up to 1.6 meters. Genetics and inheritance. We now know that characteristics are passed on in genes. This explains how useful traits can be inherited by offspring. Mutations create variation. If the mutation is beneficial, it can be passed on and this increases survival chances. This supports evolution because natural selection acts on inherited variation. Antibiotic resistance in bacteria. Bacteria can evolve quickly because they reproduce rapidly. Some bacteria have mutations that make them resistant to antibiotics. So when the antibiotics are used, the non-resistant bacteria die. The resistant bacteria will survive and reproduce, and the population becomes mostly resistant over time. And this is a real example of evolution happening today. So in stage 1, there is a mixture of antibiotic resistant and non-antibiotic resistant bacteria. In stage 2, an antibiotic is applied to the population. In stage 3, the non-antibiotic resistant bacteria die. This means that the antibiotic resistant bacteria will survive. And in stage 4, the antibiotic resistant bacteria have survived and reproduced, so all of the population are now resistant to the antibiotic. Scientific evidence today. Modern data from genetics, fossils, and observed evolution, like antibiotic resistance, all support Darwin's theory. This means evolution is now strongly supported by multiple lines of evidence. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.